Hey tech lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the upcoming Google Pixel 9 Pro, the smartphone that's already making waves even before its official launch. From groundbreaking camera innovations to performance specs that promise to blow your mind, we're breaking it all down for you. So grab your popcorn and get ready for an exciting exploration of Google's next big flagship. Let's get started. The Pixel 9 Pro is expected to bring a fresh, new look to the table with a design that oozes sophistication and style. According to the latest leaks, we can anticipate a premium build using top-notch materials like glass and metal, giving the phone a polished, luxurious feel. On the front, we're looking at a stunning curved OLED display. Rumor has it that the screen will be a massive 6.7 inches, delivering immersive visuals with vibrant colors and deep blacks. Plus, with an adaptive refresh rate between 60 Hz and 120 Hz, it promises not only smooth scrolling but also battery efficiency. Google's Pixel line has always been at the forefront of mobile photography, and the Pixel 9 Pro is set to take it up a notch. The main camera is rumored to feature a larger sensor that will drastically improve low-light performance, ensuring that your night shots are just as stunning as those taken in daylight. But that's not all. The telephoto lens might feature advanced zoom capabilities with cutting-edge periscope technology, allowing you to get closer than ever to your subject without losing quality. And for those wide-angle shots, the ultra-wide lens is expected to capture even more of the scene, making it perfect for landscapes and group photos. And let's not forget the front camera. With improvements in selfie quality and advanced features like portrait lighting, it's bound to make your selfies shine. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro is expected to be a powerhouse, boasting Google's in-house Tensor G4 chip. This cutting-edge processor, combined with up to 16 GB of RAM, should provide blazing fast performance, whether you're multitasking or gaming. Storage options are likely to include 128 GB, 256 GB, and a massive 512 GB option. So you'll have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. When it comes to battery life, we're expecting a bigger battery than its predecessors, promising all-day endurance even with heavy usage. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Running on the latest Android 14, the Pixel 9 Pro will provide an experience that's both familiar and exciting. Expect the clean, user-friendly interface that Google is known for, enhanced with even deeper AI integration. This means better photography enhancements, a more intuitive voice assistant, and a host of other smart features. Additional features likely to make an appearance include an in-display fingerprint sensor for quick access, wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging to power up your accessories on the go. The phone is also expected to be IP68 rated, making it resistant to water and dust, and offering improved audio quality for a richer sound experience. While we eagerly await the official unveiling of the Pixel 9 Pro, the leaks and rumors certainly paint an exciting picture. With its potential to redefine what we expect from a smartphone camera and its performance powerhouse specs, this could very well be Google's best phone yet. Are you as excited as we are? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest in tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.